How gentle and tender a born baby's touch is, that sensitive we should be towards the earth. We, the change agents of Vishakha Valley School, are here to showcase our major activities throughout the year towards our environment by taking sensitivity towards nature as our motto.
Our environment is everything we need. Plants are the most important members of this family. On 16th September, in connection to World Ozone Day, we were made to understand the significance that medicinal herbs play, some of which planted in our school include tulsi, neem, aloe vera, etc.
Humans have always found one or the other way to satisfy their needs, but they have always neglected the destruction caused to the nature. They have found happiness in their discoveries. They have always paid the price for it.
The trees look green and cherished, but this actual condition is not cheerful. A serious problem which is troubling our environment is the unhygienic and improper way of dumping garbage. We know that this is contagious, so we took an initiative to dig organic pits. We dumped the biodegradable components.
Our school has given us an opportunity to attend beach cleaning programs and rallies. There is still time left for our voices to be heard. Nature has blessed us for generations. It's time that we protect nature for the coming generations. Thank you.
We, the change agents of Vishakha Valley School, have taken the initiative to start vermicomposting in the grounds of the school.
We have dug the pits and cemented the bases. The vermicomposting process has begun.
We have assigned domestic caretakers and duties of maintaining composting pits. They have made sure that no damage or disturbance is done to the pits.
We are taking small steps towards success. Our footsteps echo across, and we believe that this initiative that we have started will help us achieve our ultimate goal. The organisms in my hand are the red earthworms. Until now we have learned that they are friends of farmers, but today, with growing changes and their utility, we can conclude that they are friends of nature altogether.
Proper disposal of kitchen and garden waste, segregation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable wastes are then mixed with manure.
A pit needs to be planned with the proper cemented pot is filled with the waste mixture and red earthworms are released onto it. The water is sprinkled on it for the earthworm's respiration, and the pit is covered with a moist jute bag because earthworms need a moisturized temperature for its respiration. They respire in the moist skin.
We had a wonderful experience working with the soil for the first time in our lives.
The exuberant touch of the soil gives an eccentric experience.
The earthly odor is beautiful and stimulating our senses.
The experience was really beautiful working with the soil.
From soil does life come, and to soil does it return. Instructional objectives.
Appreciation. We have appreciated the hard work put in by farmers who practice vermicomposting to protect the earth and keep alive soil naturally.
Differentiating biodegradable from the non-biodegradable. We have done various experiments over the years, but differentiating the biodegradable from the non-biodegradable has led to us taking steps on saving the environment.
Skill. By getting out in the open and not just reading through textbooks, our application has led to maturity of our skills.
Sensitivity. Not by just being kind to animals, but also understanding the plea of dying forests, we have become sensitive towards nature.
ప్రకృతి సురతరువు ఎంత
పాడినా కలివి తీరని ప్రకృతి నా గురువు వింత వింత అందాల విరులై ప్రకృతి సురతరువు ఎంత పాడినా కలివి తీరని ప్రకృతి నా గురువు వింత వింత అందాల విరులై ప్రకృతి సురతరువు ఎంత పాడినా.
Vishakha Valley School is rich in biodiversity. This is one of the medicinal herbs called Nailavera. An annual herb grows up to 50 centimeters in height, having slender, quadrangular branches. Plant pacifies tridoshas, burning sensation, skin diseases, cough and bronchitis. Plant stimulates the liver and purifies vitiated blood. Useful part, the whole plant.
What is the disease cured by it?
Diabetes is the disease that can be cured by this plant, the present burning problem.
Aloe vera is a species of succulent plant that has probably originated in the northern Africa. Aloe vera is used in cosmetics and alternate medicine industries, being marketed as variously having rejuvenating, healing and soothing properties. This is the gel which is obtained from aloe vera, which is used for cosmetics.
Phyllum. It is a distinctive part of the formation of miniature plantlets that form on the margins of its leaves. A trait, it is in common with other members of Bryophyllum section. These are the flowers of the Bryophyllum leaf. And as we learned in biology, this is one of the plants which reproduce by leaf propagation.
And these are the miniature plantlets formed by the Bryophyllum leaf.
Sagandaka, here's also a plant of Nailavemu. This shows the rich diversity of our school, Vishakha Valley. This is Ocimum teniflorum, also known as holy basil. It is widely known as tulsi in India. It is widely known across South Asia as a medicinal plant and a herbal tea. It is widely used in Ayurveda. Tulsi extracts are used in Ayurvedic remedies for common colds, headaches, stomach disorders, various forms of food poisoning and malaria. These are the seeds of tulsi.
It is a genus of about 55 species of plant. It is a tall perennial grass. It is widely used as a herb in Asian cuisine. It has a citrus flavor that can be dried or powdered or used fresh.
Phyllanthus neruri. The annual herb Phyllanthus neruri is best known by the common name stonebreaker. It is known as Naila usuri in Telugu. It is an important plant of the Indian Ayurvedic system of medicine, which is used for the problems of stomach, genitourinary system, liver, kidney and spleen. The plant has also been used in Brazil and Peru as a supposed herbal remedy for kidney stone. A clinical study with Phyllanthus neruri indicated may reduce the levels of urinary calcium.
Cardamom. This is commonly known as ilachi, refers to several plants of similar genera, Elateria and Amla. Both the genera are native to India, Bhutan and Nepal. These are recognized by their small seed pods which are triangular in cross section with black seeds. Cardamoms are usually used for flavoring in the food and drinks. They are also used as a medicine, E-cardamom.
This is an organic pit.
It is naturally dug.
It has no cemented bottom.
It's an alternate place for burning leaves.
No earthworms are involved.
Biodegradable material is used.
This whole process is taking place in our school.
Please, pollution checkers.
It takes one tree to make 10,000 matches, but one match to burn 10,000 trees.
Trees on, carbon dioxide gone.
Preserve nature for a better future.